You guys don't trip when you guys turn on the TV and you guys just see like games over and over, gamble or get a free game and you can win money, but it says don't gamble. But we gamble with our lives, man, because in our comfortability when we just like we love that money, we dead persons, we just looking at ourselves like, whoa. It's just like people just in their comfortability and they won't and they'll look at you weird. And if you say something about what they're doing, they'll be like, remember when you did this? Remember when you did this? Because they don't want to see themselves at all. Does it sound familiar? I know I'm guilty of it. So let's just stop doing this. Wah, 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 wah. Yes, Piggy. Am I turtle for the turtle club? Am I turtle enough for you? Give me a kiss. Man. Gotta be part of the turtle club, be like all up in our shell, this in our comfortability and just talking a whole bunch of yes, Piggy.